Hey guys, welcome back with another brand new and exciting strategy. In today's video, we are going to share with you an exciting news, an exciting way and method actually that you have never seen before. And this method is working 100% that you can simply implement and start making and generating money from this specific method that we are going to share with you in today's video. So what I just want from you is to watch the video to the very end to not miss any single part of the strategy, because if you miss, then you will be confused and you will not fully understand that how exactly it is working. We are going to put together some websites such as Work Media, CPA.com, Max Bounty, or CPA Lead. To any country you are interested, any website or any network you are interested with, that you can sign up for that, or it is available in your country, you can basically sign up for that website or something like Work Media, CPA Grip, or Max Bounty, or CPA Lead, or even Offer Walls. You can simply sign up with that. So any website, it is available in your country and it is easy for you. You just need to sign up for that and start promoting the offers with this exact method that we are going to share with you right now. And that will take absolutely your precious time, up to 9 minutes or 10 minutes. At the end of this video, you will be fully understand that how you can grab your CPA link and how you can start promoting with this specific strategy that we are going to share with you right now. So let's begin the strategy and not further waste the time. As I told you at the beginning, you can sign up for any website such as Max Bounty, such as Work Media, or such as CPAGrip.com. So once you sign up for that, then you can simply log into your account right here. So we are using the CPA grip. You can also use CPA grip if it's available in your country. But if it is not available, so then you can sign up for other website right here. So once you sign up with cpagrip.com right here, so then you can simply log into your account and you can just choose all countries if you are choosing any country. So it depends on you right here. So here you can select the country, any country you want. For example, the offer for that. So you can simply select the country right here and you can start promoting. And if you want to have the special category, you can also choose any category you want. For example, right here, so basically I will just simply select all the categories. And here, if you want to show it on the states actually, so you can also select. But if you want to have a specific product right here, so you can simply search that product and you can start promoting right here. And here you can also see here that, for example, do you want this staff offers or do you want mobile offers? So you can simply select, or you want both right here. So that will show you right here. It means you can filter. So once you are done with that, here you can see here the different offer from different countries, something like the Canada right here. And this is the offer, for example, from the country of um, Arabic countries right here, and these are all also other countries right here. You need to see here. So these are the different countries available right here. You can simply see here. This is Australia, and this is, for example, another country like Finland, and this is the country, for example, like Luxembourg, for example. So these are the different countries that if you have any offer, sorry, any topic you have for that country, so for that country or that topic, you need to look for the offer of that and you can start selecting those offers. So we can select any countries right here. If you want, for example, right away here, we can simply select any offer right here. So it depends on the country or the topic that we are having for that. The topic is easy, but the most important thing is right here that we can simply choose the offer, something like making money online niche, or we can simply choose like something like the gift card. For example, this is a 500 calls gift card, okay, so that you can simply promote it. So this method is really working with CPA marketing. So that's why I'm focusing on this video right here to show you step by step that how we can do that. For example, this is the offer. What you need to do, we can simply select and then we can simply copy the link, affiliate links, and then we can simply shorten with bit.ly or tiny URL. Once we are done with that, the next step is that we can simply move to the free traffic source that I was about to share with you in this video right here. We are focusing. So the actually that is not the free traffic. You need to use this website like shoutcurve.com. Okay, shoutcurve.com is, this is the main interface, SHOUT and CART. Okay, shoutcart.com is the main website. So what is this website stand for? Actually, it's an influencer marketing by a shortcut. Actually, means this website is stand to put together or connect influencers and buyers or the traffic from all over the world right here, and they are getting this website over 750 million active followers and subscribers right over here. So here you can simply see here that how it is working. Basically, there are most of the products right here and most of the offer or posts are here. For example, like 8,000 plus 9.7 engagement is there, 65,000 plus followers are there on this website right here. But this website is we are using for influencers, that we can simply connect with influencers right here. Here you can simply see here different influencer, but it will be great if you just sign up for a free account right here on this website by just clicking this button right here, register for free. Once you sign up, then you can simply log into your account. Once you log into the account, so it will look something like this, the interface right here. And here, once you log in, here you will find out all these prices available for you. But if you do not sign up, you will not see the prices, it will be locked. But if you sign up, so it will be visible for you right here. So here we can simply find it out different influencer from Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and other social media platforms that we can simply promote our offers with them right here. Here you can simply see this influencer is right here for Instagram, and there he or she is having something like 938,000 plus followers on Instagram, means almost a million followers on Instagram, and the score is up to 10, which is a little bit great score right here, and the price is $15. Okay, what does it mean that actually? So it means that they can simply host. They can simply have your article or they can have your post available or they can have your link available on Instagram for 24 hours by just $15 right here. Okay, so he or she can charge you $15 for 24 hours, something like that right here. If you just click, you can see here more information and more details about this guy right here, that how it is working, for example. And if you, here you can simply see here the different price right here that you can simply see here. But we can simply choose not Instagram. Actually, we can have TikTok, we can have YouTube, and we cannot have any other one right here. But my main purpose is that you can simply select right here the influencer, not all. We can simply select Instagram. If you want to promote our offers with Instagram, we can simply promote with Instagram, Instagram bio, Instagram story, for example, IG story link, IG reel, IG carousel, for example, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok. Okay, so these are the different social media platforms that we can simply choose right here. For example, if you are promoting with TikTok, then we can simply untick all these things and only market the TikTok. So that will just show us only TikTok influencers right here. So this is one TikTok influencer which got, for example, 483,000 plus followers, and he or she is charging $89 for 24 hours or something like that. So what we need to do, the first step for us will be that we can simply choose right here the offer right here. Once we are promoting, so we can simply just promote this offer. We can simply shorten the link with bit.ly or URL, and then we can simply go right here to this website, and then we can contact this guy right here, that we can simply pay them the money, something like $10. Okay, something like $10 for 700 plus, for 700,000 plus followers right here. We can simply pay them, and then they will have the link in the description or in their bio for 24 hours on only charging $10. So if you just give one promotion, take one promotion, you will get a huge amount of money from that right away here. And the coolest part right here about this website is right here, that you can simply also select the influencer type, for example, all pages personal, or the category, for example, if you are promoting, if your offer is, for example, in the beauty niche, so you just need to look for a beauty offer right here, or a beauty account right here. If your offer is related to weight loss, then you just need to go to the fitness category. If it is about fashion, then you need to go to fashion category. So these are the different categories right here that you can simply check, and you can easily find out the best influencer by a less price that they will charge you, and they will have more engagement right here. So if you just get one promotion, you will get a huge amount of money. So once you have made experience, then you can make more and more and more. For example, campaigns right there, and you can get more orders from them right here, and then you can make spend a little bit of your money, and the backside you can earn a huge amount of money from that right over here. So this is the coolest part, that we can simply use this website for absolutely free, and we can hire in bigger influencer in the world and social media platform, something like this one that you can simply see here. 1.2 million followers, 2.1 million followers, 4.9 million followers, but he's charging only $50. Okay, so there are huge influencers that you can simply find it out for nothing right here. You can simply see here more pages, and you can find out the best influencer with more engagement, more followers, but less price right here. So my purpose is that grab the link from CPA Grab or any other affiliate network or CPA network, and then come to this website right here and find out the best influencer and start promoting your offer right here with this influencer. At the backside, you can earn a huge amount of money from that right away here with very easy and less investment right here. So if you like it, please don't forget to hit the like button as an appreciation for this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification, and to all, whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. If you want to have absolutely the free method and free strategy, check out our channel. We have plenty of videos and contents, and for example, contents right here that we can have, and we use the free traffic sources and making money from that right here. Check out and our channel, different methods and different strategies for further details and information. And if you want to have absolutely a two-fellow system that you can learn, and you can learn the money, earn the money from that, and a two-pellet from A to Z training, just check out the first link in the description of this video, and you can learn uh, a lot from that right away there. So hope you liked. Till next brand video. See you awesome with enjoyable moments.